Welcome back to the channel, the place where car lovers find the latest, most exciting updates from the world of automotive design and performance. If you are passionate about speed, luxury, and innovation, make sure to stick around because today we're diving into something truly special, the rebirth of an icon. Get ready for the 2025 Porsche 550 Spyder. When Porsche first introduced the 550 Spyder in the 1950s, it quickly became one of the most legendary sports cars of all time. Lightweight, agile, and a pure driver's machine, the original was a symbol of racing success and timeless style. Now, Porsche has brought that legend back, reimagined for the modern era while staying true to its classic spirit. The 2025 Porsche 550 Spyder isn't just a car, it's a statement, a bridge between heritage and the future of performance. At first glance, the design instantly captures attention. Porsche has preserved the sleek, low-slung profile of the original, giving it a silhouette that is unmistakably Spyder. The front end is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, blending sharp LED headlights with smooth-flowing lines that honor the classic racer's DNA. Every curve, every angle has been engineered not just for beauty but also for maximum efficiency. Wide wheel arches, a minimalist rear, and a distinctive Spyder badge remind you that this is more than a modern sports car, it's the return of a legend. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that blends tradition with cutting-edge technology. Porsche has kept the driver-focused simplicity intact, while upgrading every element with modern luxury. The steering wheel has a minimalist design, the digital cockpit displays everything with crisp clarity, and the seating feels like a perfect balance of racing heritage and contemporary comfort. Fine leather, brushed aluminum, and subtle Spyder accents make it both sporty and elegant. It feels like stepping into the past and future at the same time. Now let's talk performance, because the 550 Spyder has always been about driving. The 2025 model comes equipped with a powerful turbocharged hybrid engine, delivering over 500 horsepower while maintaining remarkable efficiency. Thanks to lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics, this car can sprint from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest roadsters Porsche has ever built. The handling is razor-sharp, with Porsche's adaptive suspension system providing precision control on every twist and turn. Whether you're pushing it to the limit on a track or cruising down an open highway, the new Spyder delivers an exhilarating experience. Of course, Porsche has also integrated the latest in driving technology. You'll find advanced driver assistance features, seamless connectivity, and customizable driving modes that allow you to fine-tune the car's personality to your exact liking. But even with all the tech, Porsche has made sure the essence of the Spyder remains pure, an intimate connection between driver and machine. The 2025 Porsche 550 Spyder isn't just about power or technology. It's about emotion, heritage, and the thrill of driving. It takes the soul of one of Porsche's most iconic models and brings it to a new generation of enthusiasts. For collectors, dreamers, and drivers alike, this car is a legend reborn. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Porsche 550 Spyder, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more incredible automotive content. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and your eyes on the road ahead.